This is basically how I beat the algorithm in just 3 minutes. I was having 66 subscribers before beating the algorithm, and now I got 121 subscribers now. So number 1, quality content. Quality content is making people to learn from your videos, offering values. See, ensure your content is entertaining by being yourself. See, let's drop the action down. I have come to realize that quality content is what keeps you viewers to watch your video from the beginning, which is what's called audience retention. After I studied a lot of people's channel, I got to realize it isn't a matter of quantity, meaning posting plenty video, or it isn't a matter of how many videos you have posted so far. Let me tell you, for example, Adeoye Adeife, see her video. She goes straight to the point and her channel is educative and is doing well. And that person was Virginia Gray. She was one who inspired me to do my 7 days challenge that time that I did. And her channel is about life coaching and what? YouTube tutorials. And that person is what? Aaron Lodge. She does not have any shorts, and she got monetized basically just 2 videos. That's the power of quality over quantity. Yes. And what? This Dan creator, you shall know some of them on YouTube that did not post much video and they got monetized in that short period. And many more creators like Favor Matthew, many more, you shall know them. Number 2, title and thumbnail. See, because after I've created a very good quality content video, you need a very catchy, descriptive title and thumbnail. That is what sparks curiosity to increase your click-through rate. See, your title and thumbnail is what people use to judge your video within what? 2 seconds. Yes. The title and thumbnail plays a very crucial role in many things, and it speaks a lot for your videos. So number 3, be consistent. Sorry, if you don't know how to create title and thumbnail, go and watch my video on how to create title and thumbnail. Number 3, be consistent. Consistent does not mean showing up every day, but posting and improving each of your videos. For example, Truecaller, Opera Mini, Okash, Plenty Cash, Load App. All of them, they keep showing up every time, whether you watch video or not, they will show up. They don't care if I watch it or not, they just show up. That's consistency and lots more. So that's the power of consistency. And that people is Vibe with Sonia, Gloria C, Princess Chiamaka, Kalin Floyd, Ivy's channel, Grow with Tara, Monikozu, and many more people. They show up consistently because what? That is what YouTube requires. So number 4, your niche. See, pick a niche. I know it's not easy to pick a niche, but you need to speak to a specific audience. Like, just imagine you are trying to motivate somebody or trying, but you need to pick a niche. You can't do all the niche in the world. You have to pick a niche. Pick a niche. It could be gaming, YouTube tutorial, YouTube tips, fitness, fashion, product review, beauty, and many more. But ask yourself, what niche are you in? What niche do you speak into? Because there's a code that says, if you aim to help everyone, you will end up helping no one. So the last one, which is number 5, which is what? Love your niche, or what? Love creating content. This will help you overlook the algorithm and make the algorithm your friend. Like, forget about beating 4,000 watch hour. Yes. And you see how the algorithm will flow in comment, love, share, subscriber, and many more. And algorithm means people. It's not one scary things. Yes. So basically, those are the 5 things that will your content to go viral. So because I budgeted for 3 minutes, so I hope you found this video. We'll see you right next time. You complete 3 minutes.